Hello YouTube, this is Jay Coder back with another stream, and today I'm going to be going over a coding challenge in JavaScript. And so we've been going through these series of coding challenges in both Kotlin and JavaScript, and today it's going to be in JavaScript. If you like this kind of thing, subscribe to the channel, comment on the video, like, and without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so what I have here today is I have the leet code problem. And so yeah, I have the leet code problem. Find first and last position of element in sorted array. And so I'm going to be solving this problem. And so it says, given an array of integers, nums sorted in a non-decreasing order, find the starting and ending position of a given target value. If target is not found in the array, return -1, -1. You must write an algorithm with O of log n runtime complexity. And example is nums equals 5, 7, 7, 8, 8, 10, and the target equals 8. And so the output is 3 and 4. And so here's another example with 5, 7, 7, 8, 8, 10 with a target of 6. And then so it's going to be a -1 if the target is not found. And again, here's another one with an empty array where the target is 0. The target was not found, so there's not a 0 in there. So yeah, 0 is less than or equal to nums dot length, and less than or and nums dot length is less than 10 to the 5th. So it's greater than 0, and it cannot be no more than 10 to the 5th. And then num sub I can't be -10 to the 9th or more than 10 to the 9th. Nums is a non-decreasing array. And then this one is also the target cannot be minus -10 to the 9th or greater than 10 to the 9th. Okay, so yeah, we noticed that when the target is 8, the output is 3 and 4. Given an array of integers, nums sorted in non-decreasing order, find the starting and ending position of a given target value. All right, so how we are going to tackle this is so we have the search range that passes in the nums and the target. And so what we need is a helper function to find the position of the target value. If basically if is start is true, it finds the leftmost position of the target. Otherwise, it finds the rightmost position of the target. Okay, so we're going to start out with our own arrow function that will help us to find the position. So in this function, I'm going to write constant find position equals nums target is start. And this is going to be an arrow function of this. And then within our arrow function, we're going to have a variable called left. And left is going to start out as 0. We're going to have a right. And this time, right will equal nums dot length minus 1. And then we have the let position equals minus 1. Okay, so we have that. And then what we need to do is we need a while loop. So after that, we're going to do a while loop with left is less than or equal to right. And then we're going to go in here. We're going to go to constant mid equals math dot floor left, and then plus right, and that's going to be divided by 2. Okay, and then after that, I'm going to have an if statement. And so what this is, it's if statement is going to be if nums mid equals target and position equals mid, then and so the position equals mid, and so I need to adjust the search space based on whether we are looking for the start or end position. So I'm going to need to start another if statement within this if statement, and it's checking for if is start. If it is the start, then I'm gonna make the body of the function. So it's gonna be right equals mid minus 1. And then it's going to be, I'm going to have an else. And with this else, it's going to be left. So it's going to be left equals mid plus 1. Okay. And then after that, we're going to have um, the end of that. Let's see. So yeah, so we're gonna have the end of that uh, parent if statement, and then we're gonna have an else. So we're gonna have an else if. So uh, basically here, basically here, we continue searching in the left half. Here we continue searching in the right half, and then else if we so in this else if it's going to be inside the body here, we're going to be um, having nums, and that's going to be of mid. So nums of mid is less than if it is less than the target. If it is less than the target, then we adjust the search space to the right half. So to do that, we say left equals mid plus 1. And so basically, we're going to do else. And inside the else, so we're going to adjust the search space. We're going to adjust the search space to the left half. So in order to do that, we need to say right equal mid plus 1. Okay. And then after that, we don't really need this extra guy. And then after that, we have to return the actual. We must return the position. So we can return the position right here. And then after we return the position. Then after we turn the position, let me see. And then actually maybe we do need that guy. And then after that we return the position, and then within this search range we need to find the leftmost position of the target start position. So to do that, we need a variable. So we're going to go ahead and do constant start, constant start equals find position nums target, and then true. Then after that, if the target is not found, then we return the -1 and -1. So basically, if start, oops, equals -1, then what we do is return -1 of -1, and then after that, what we do is find the rightmost position of the target and position. So to find the rightmost position, what we do need to do is nums target false, and then we need to return the result as an array containing start and end positions. So now we return the array, which we can say start and end. And then after that, we should be good. I guess we don't really need that guy. But let's see. So, all right. And this guy is misspelled. So I need to make sure the spelling is correct. So the actual method can be used right there. And let me just go over my code here to see if it is good. So I make a method find position, and then we pass in these variables. Num target is start. I have some variables here, left, right position, and then a while loop. While left is less than or equal to right, I have a constant mid. Constant mid equals mapped out floor, left plus right, divide by 2. Then we check if a mid is the same as the target, then position equals mid, and if is start, then we're going to do mid minus 1 for the right, else left equals mid plus 1, and else if the nums mid is less than the target, then we do left equals mid plus 1, or else right equals mid plus 1. Okay, and so that's what we have, and looks like I am ready to test. I call find position right there. All right, let's test. Time limit exceeded. Time limit exceeded. Do I need this guy? Let me try this again. Time limit exceeded. Let me check if everything is good here. So So let me see. Find position. Let's see. Oh, okay. I think I missed one small thing. However, I already solved this, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the code that I solved it with, which is pretty much the same. I probably just missed like a small mistake there. So what I'm gonna do is put this inside this, and then we're going to, so this, that ends there. Start end. Okay. I needed, oh yeah, I did not have my function. So we need my function. And then we're gonna run. Okay, great. So that actually did it. And so yeah, we're getting the correct answers on these tests here. And so this is basically the solution here. So we make this method within our search range method. This method pretty much goes through and processes everything, and then we call that function by passing in the nums target and true, which is the start, which also needs to be tracked, and then if it's not found, then we must return this. And then find the rightmost position of the target, and then return the result as an array containing the start and end positions. So this is going to be the end. This is going to be the start. And return those two, and boom, we have solved it. So yeah, if you guys like this kind of thing, please subscribe to the channel, comment, and like this video. Uh, and thank you guys for watching on this channel. I like to go over software development things. I've mostly been going over Android and also a bit of web development. But anyway, I was uh, I would encourage you to subscribe to this channel and stay tuned for future videos that should help in your learning or career. All right. Well, until next time, happy